Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your iPhone experience significantly. We found the TOCOL iPhone 17e screen protector and have added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The TOCOL screen protector is designed specifically for the iPhone 17e, and it comes packed with features that not only protect your device but also enhance your overall user experience. This is a two-pack product, giving you the opportunity to have a backup or share it with someone else. One of the standout features of this screen protector is its revolutionary auto-installation technology. Gone are the days of fumbling with bubbles and alignment issues. With TOCOL, all you need to do is place, press, and pull, and you'll have a perfectly installed screen protector in seconds. The auto-align positioning ensures that it fits your device flawlessly, and the dust removal and instant adhesion technology make the process incredibly straightforward. Plus, when it's time to remove the protector, you won't have to worry about damaging your screen. It's hassle-free. Now, let's talk about durability. The TOCOL screen protector boasts a military-grade 9H plus hardness rating, which means it can withstand drops from up to 8 feet and resist over 16,000 scratches. Whether you're rushing to work or exploring new places on vacation, you can use your device without the constant worry of it getting scratched by keys, coins, or accidental drops. This level of protection is particularly suitable for anyone who leads an active lifestyle or simply wants peace of mind. Another impressive aspect is its high-definition clarity. Made with optical-grade materials, this protector offers 99.99% light transmittance, ensuring that you don't sacrifice the quality of your display. With a thickness of just 0.33 mm, it provides an invisible, seamless fit, allowing you to enjoy true-to-life colors and sharp images. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or working on important tasks, you'll appreciate the crystal-clear viewing experience. But there's more. The TOCOL screen protector also features a silky-smooth anti-fingerprint nanocoating. This exclusive coating not only delivers an ultra-smooth surface for seamless fingerprint unlocking and swift gaming swipes, but it also resists fingerprints and smudges. No more constantly wiping your screen. This protector helps maintain a pristine appearance throughout the day. The rounded edge design adds to the comfort, providing a soft touch without any sharp corners. So, who is this screen protector suitable for? If you're an iPhone 17e user looking for reliable protection without compromising on display quality, this product is tailor-made for you. It's perfect for busy professionals, students, travelers, or anyone who simply wants to keep their device looking brand new. In practical use cases, imagine you're at the beach, taking photos with your iPhone. You can rest easy knowing that your screen is protected from sand and scratches, thanks to the TOCOL protector. Or perhaps you're on a hiking adventure, and you accidentally drop your phone. With the military-grade shatterproof feature, you can retrieve your device without fear of damage. Lastly, TOCOL stands behind the quality of its product with a 365-day warranty and dedicated customer service. If you encounter any issues, whether it's bubbles, peeling, or installation problems, their professional team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. In summary, the TOCOL iPhone 17e screen protector offers an unbeatable combination of easy installation, high durability, crystal-clear clarity, and effective fingerprint resistance. It's a must-have accessory for anyone serious about protecting their device. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.